This is the second time being involved with the uYilo, especially the uYilo Mobility Summit. First it was 2024 and now 2025, and this is looked at as a partner for the future. The reason why we're partnering with them is that the DSTI has flagship programs that really have common programs with uYilo, especially on the e-mobility. One is on the battery program, battery storage program, and also on the hydrogen program. Both the mobilities. If we start with the battery one, we start all the precursor manufacturing, beneficiating our minerals that we have in this country by doing all the value chain until to the assembly and testing and validation. We aiming to produce our own South African battery. So this summit is one summit that every aspect is here to see if we can agree whether is it true we can do, and they can come up all the. Most importantly, we want to see how, using our own IP that we've created in this country, it can assist in us beneficiating our own country, especially the men and also the people on the ground, to create jobs, all different sort of jobs. Even today's summit, everybody was talking about how anyone can be involved, especially in the job market. Even those who do not have qualification, how can they get involved? Even those who do not have skills, how they can. So from the value chain, we can see that everybody in the country can contribute. Even the people from rural areas who they are far from where we are, they can really contribute in that way. So that discussions helped us a lot. In the hydrogen energy mobility side, we have an intervention that we feel that every industry can play a role. We have the Platinum Valley corridor from Limpopo to Gauteng to KZN, where every industry will be able to play a key role in trying to assist with hydrogen refueling stations, other manufacturing industries. There are industries along the line. I can give an example of AXA, who want to decarbonize their mobility industry. ESCOM, they also want to do the same. And all the other industries, especially the manufacturers, how we can come together and see to discuss in terms of technology-wise and to make sure we speed up the processes until we reach our target by 2050 net zero. Thanks.